Hey everybody, welcome back to another wood-shaped video. Take a look at this charging station slash driver, drill, jigsaw, bits, sanding, sander, biscuit joiner. Stick around and watch me build this holder. Before we start, I want to show you really quick some of the holders that I've been building in my shop for the French Cleat wall, and I've been really busy with these, so take a look. First one, got this rack here, holder for odds and ends, Kreg screws, Forstner bits, just whatever I want to put on that. And yesterday I made the dispenser here for paper for glue ups. And let's jump to the left side of the shop. Got my router. This is the main bottom attachment. You can put the edge guide on that, and then a cubby for whatever I want. As well as over here to the left, we have the track saw holder with the triangular support, the bits for the router, and then additionally router bits on the bottom that I use the most. So stick around and enjoy the video. I'll see you at the end.
Shapers!
So I'm getting ready to draw out lines for this Kreg K5 to make a French Cleat holder. Have a section right here and then a bottom cubby for storage. And I opted for designing this to put the drill power driver in upside down, just because I know a lot of folks, they like to do it this way, which works pretty good. I can still do that, but forward and reverse button is right there, and you fear that the pressure will sit on the button and it will wear faster. So I opted to do it upside down. I actually like that quite a bit. I could even fit a battery back there in the back and then just let this sit kind of right on the edge here. It'll work out perfectly. And I can also fit 2 batteries back there. So as a matter of fact, let's test that out really quick. So we got, put that back there, and the drill. Battery back there, and then the drill driver. Same on this one. And the jigsaw, sanding pads, sander, whatever I want to put on top here. So there's your French cleat fix. You asked for it and I brought you more. Hopefully you enjoyed that. Remember to hit the subscribe button, leave a comment below, let me know what you thought of the video, and head over to Instagram and you'll find me there at WoodShaped, where I post daily shop updates. And until next time, remember to go shape some wood, and we'll see you again soon.